Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the only way reset for HomePod. Act now. First, confirm the HomePod is powered and your iPhone is on the same network and Apple ID. Once done, open the Home app and locate the HomePod tile, press and hold it. Make sure you're the home administrator because only admins can remove devices. Next, scroll down to Settings. This begins the removal flow. If you see multiple homes, choose the one where the HomePod is assigned. Now you continue the only way reset. Tap Remove Accessory and confirm Remove when the dialog appears. You'll likely be asked to authenticate with the Apple ID password. Enter it so the system can dissociate the device from your account. Once you authorize, the Home app will display a removing status. Keep your iPhone close and maintain Wi-Fi. Make sure not to unplug the HomePod during this step, because interruption may leave it in a partially removed state. Progress completes when the tile disappears. Finish by unplugging the HomePod for 10 seconds and plugging it back in. This clears transient states and ensures a fresh start. Once powered, check the Home app to confirm the HomePod no longer appears. If it still shows, sign out of the Home app or iCloud on your iPhone, reboot the phone, then sign back in and attempt removal again. As a troubleshooting tip, do not factory reset with buttons unless you cannot remove it from your Apple ID. If that fails, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.